time that in this time of COVID, we are inviting you to help us, guide us, and show us the path that so much it's going on, so much of fear in people. And who else is there to guide us when you are there? Brigadier Dr. Vinod Datta, and who is the Limca Award book record holder as well. And I don't have words to explain about you, sir. So I just feel like all people whom I know, my dear friends, they were really surprised that how did I get an appointment with you to bring you on this platform in the Asneha show. So we really want to know, how did you started your journey, your life, and how did you keep your dream, your discipline, and how did you connect with the desire? Such a beautiful topic you have chosen: dream, discipline, and desire. Please put a light so that we can have a mesmerizing session today.
I come from a purely an army family, and with three generations in the army. My grandfather, he had served and he has rendered excellent services during the Second World War. Uh, then my father, who served the Indian Army, and he retired as a general from the army. And then I also followed the legacy. And I can say proudly that we are in the Limca Book of Records for sending maximum army officers. I repeat, maximum army officers from one family. And that's a great singular honor to our family, that not only all male members are in the army, but all girls are also married to army officers. So we have, say, about almost 17 officers. I mean, we had. Now, of course, people have retired and moved on. So it's a great pleasure, and I take it as a personal honor that we have served the nation and the mankind through various platforms, be it guarding the borders, be it training the youngsters, or providing services to the civil authorities during the disaster or crisis-like situations. Yeah, I was really interested right from the beginning to join the army, as I was fascinated by the awe of uniform, because they say the uniform depicts two things. One is the authority, and second, the trust which people pose in you, whether you are a team leader or you are being led. So that is the kind of attraction the uniform had. I recall one incident when I was in class 6th, and my father was posted in Nathula on the Sikkim-China border, and I went for an entrance enrollment test for NCC cadet, and I was quite small in height, and I was rejected by the NCC instructor that your height is not up to the standard, so you cannot join the NCC. I came back dejected. I was really very sad. I cried also and told my mother that, so what if I am short? They should have taken me. They should have taken the kind of dedication, the Jasba, the Junoon, which I have. But unfortunately, they did not. I had to wait for another year when I gained some height. And that was the first journey when I donned the uniform. And I feel so proud that I wore it for years and years. And it really became like my second skin.
So true. So at this time, how would you like to guide all of us that whatever is going on, what kind of thoughts should we keep? What kind of, inspiration should we have for a positive life?
Well, these are difficult times, and it is not for the first time that the mankind is seeing such kind of trying situations. There have been years, if you go back to history, 536 AD, the Black Death, which hit Europe. If you see First World War, the two great wars, and the Second World War, the Spanish flu, there have been, crisis situations, and man has always faced it. So there have been, civilizations, there have been destructions, and there has been recreations. So that is the law of nature. What we have to see is that we should be positive in our thinking. We should be forward looking. क्योंकि देखिए challenges एक ऐसी चीज है which are going to be there. कहते हैं ना कि रंग और जज्बात जिंदा दिली की निशानी है. रंग और जज्बात जिंदा दिली की निशानी है. कभी मुर्दों को कफन बदलते देखा है? Because if you are lively, if you are connected, if you declutter your mind, you are going to be a more peaceful person. Unfortunately, what is happening is that we have information overload. We don't know what is required.
Yeah.
What it is like, our WhatsApp. We don't know which message to save and which message to delete, and we keep getting, even if we are not, if the cell phone is not switched on, still the messages keep pouring in. So it is our prudence, it is our wisdom that we should know what to delete and what to accept. What I find lacking these days in the millennials or the youngsters is the discipline.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, discipline is one thing which has been wrongly interpreted by the millennials. They think that discipline is all about chains and rules and regulations. It is not. Discipline is a day-to-day activity or day-to-day jobs which you are doing in a time-bound manner, in timelines, and in the maryadas of society.
So true.
या जिस तबके में आप रहते हैं, क्योंकि देखिए बचपन से ही हमको ये सिखाया जाता है कि आप सुबह उठिए, you brush your teeth, you do this, or you must exercise in the morning. Yeah, you must sleep early, you must get up early. So these are, discipline is nothing. These are the teachings which have been transferred from a shishya to guru, from mother to daughter, father to son.
So true.
Yeah, so we must follow a discipline, because if you don't follow a discipline, I keep giving an example of that, धनुष के ऊपर जो रस्सी होती है उसको प्रत्यंचा बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
जब तक वो प्रत्यंचा चढ़ी रहती है धनुष पे, तब तक तो वो हथियार है. जिस दिन वो प्रत्यंचा ढीली हो जाती है या वो टूट जाती है, तो वो हथियार आपका एक स्टिक बन जाता है, एक डंडा रह जाता है. It ceases to be a weapon. So we have to be disciplined. Another thing which I have found in the youngsters is that they are not able to decode what they want. You must have seen this Fukre movie.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very good movie. You must have seen that there is a boy who gets dream, and everybody gets dream.
So true.
But there are very few people who can convert those dreams into actions or who can decode them. And since that guy could decode it, he was digging gold. So we are not able to, we try to, we try to emulate others. We think that, yes, if we have failed once, we are not going to succeed in anything. Failure is not, it should not bring you down. It is not that if you fail, failure is when you refuse to get up and fight again. You must have that fighting spirit. You see, when we joined the academies as cadets, I went from an army background, so I knew that what is there in store when you go for training.
Right.
I knew that they are going to, break your, bio clocks, your body plasticity, to make you a soldier, so that you can be channelized. Yeah, you can be channelized into those thoughts, that thinking, that yes, you have to achieve your mission, whatever is the cost. Because in our profession, in army, there is no runners-up prize. You can't say, we had a war with India and Pakistan and we came second. There is no runners-up prize. So या तो वीरता या वीर गति, दो
So
ही चीजें हैं, क्योंकि एक सोल्जर का यही धर्म है कि या तो वीरता या वीर गति. There is no other option for him. Yeah. And when you are leading your team, you see, as a leader, you have to be an organic leader these days.
yeah.
You cannot be a toxic leader.
So true, sir.
You know, leadership doesn't require charisma. It requires character. Leadership does not require any kind of personalities. It requires principles. So you have to focus your ideas. You have to focus yourself that what I have to do. You have to understand your you have to understand your awareness. You have to understand your potential.
So true,
Some
sir.
of us are, yeah, some of us are not even aware that what kind of potential we have.
Yeah.
हमने कई बार देखा होगा कि बच्चे ये कहते रहते हैं, अरे वो पास हो जाएगा, मैं नहीं हो सकता.
हाँ जी.
लेकिन होता उल्टा है.
बिल्कुल.
You know, because once that guy realizes that what kind of potential you have, then he realizes. You see, आपने रामायण देखी होगी, उसमें नल और नील दो, you know, they were two monkey lieutenants. They were, I'll just have a glass of water.
Yeah.
They were blessed with such a, you know, godly thing that whatever stone they touched, it will float. But they were not aware.
They
So
were.
somebody, yeah, so somebody guided them that yes, you have that kind of potential. And then they, you see, Lord Ram utilized that service, and we all know that how they reached Lanka.
Became a history.
It became a history.
Yeah. So you believe that every one of us has this kind of potential, but it's just that we need to be disciplined, and then there should be a desire to reach at that level and that highest potential.
Yes, we must. You see, we must dream big.
Yeah.
We must dream big, start small, and act now.
So true.
ये कल पे छोड़ देने वाली बात काम नहीं करती है. You have to act now. Because it's
so true.
Yeah, because in this VUCA world, you see, it's so competitive.
Yeah.
That if you are not there, there are 10 other guys who are there.
Yes.
So the opportunities, you know, don't knock at your door very often. They may knock it once, twice. But when they realize that this guy is in deep slumber, I'm afraid they are not going to come to you. They will go to a person.
So true.
Who's going to grab on these opportunities and going to prove to the world that yes, here is a person who can, you know, deliver things and make you proud.
Absolutely right. You so rightly said and drafted in a beautiful way that we should understand कि काम करने से ही हमारी कर्म की तकदीर बदल सकती है. So, अगर वो चीजें हमारे अंदर शुरू से हैं, डिसिप्लिन से हैं, तो ही हम अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंच सकते हैं. That's so beautiful.
Yeah. देखिए, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, you were saying something. Yeah.
I was just asking because at this time when everything is so dark going on, and we have just come to know about there is a young man who has committed something, and I'm seeing so many people are writing on the Facebook, I'm there, I'm there, I'm there. But what truth is there? Do we need somebody else's hand, or we should be empowered to handle our own situation? मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि हमें खुद पे ही विश्वास होना जरूरी है, या हमें किसी का हाथ पकड़ के चलना, या किसी को बैसाखी बना के चलना चाहिए. Please put some light here.
देखिए, there was a very tragic incident about Sushant Singh Rajput. You just you know, saw the entire nation is you know, mourning the death of such an aspiring and you know, upcoming actor who was brilliant and you know, dedicated. I remember, you know, when I was overseeing the Kerala floods, he has donated 1 crore rupees for the flood victims. Yeah, yeah. So, I'm still not able to reconcile that a person of his stature or with his kind of personality can, succumb to pressures.
So
What
true.
I want to, yeah, what I want to tell is that yes, you have to believe in yourself. You have to, you have to empower yourself, as you brought out. बशीर बद्र ने एक बड़ा अच्छा शेर कहा है कि कोई चांद लाकर नहीं देगा, कोई चांद लाकर नहीं देगा, अपने चेहरे को जगमगाया कर. Because when you are in crisis, you have to rise to the occasion.
Yeah.
You have to fend for yourself. Today, if you see after class 12th, the children go their own ways. You see, gone are the days when you will graduate also, you'll do a post graduation and you'll be sitting at the home.
So true.
So yeah, so you have to face the challenges on your own. Another thing which I want to tell you is that we should be out of the rat race. There is always a slot by the God for everybody, and you will realize that everybody does well if he is dedicated and he has faith in himself.
So true, sir.
रैट रेस में आके आप रेस तो जीत जाएंगे, लेकिन रहेंगे तो रैट ही. तो आपको अपने आप को उस चीज से निकालना है कि ठीक है, if you are a deserving person, the success can be delayed, it cannot be denied to you.
Yeah.
Sooner or later it will come, because कुदरत के भी तो अपने, कायनात के भी तो अपने रूल्स हैं, कुछ कायदे हैं, कुछ फलसफे हैं.
Sir, what is your mission? Because I keep seeing you that you are always busy, you're doing some talk, you are TV panelist, you are everywhere, I keep watching you, you have some interview going on, and I'm really feeling lucky that I'm here with you and asking these beautiful wisdom from you.
Yeah. No, I had refused one of the leading TV channels. They were asking for a slot of 6. So I told him, a commitment given is commitment given. I cannot attend because I have got another, discussion with a very great personality. And so I said, we will do it later. My mission is, I'll tell you, एक बार एक बंदे से पूछा था कि तुम शादी से पहले क्या करते थे? तो उसने कहा, साहब मैं जो मेरे मन में आता था मैं वो करता था. So what I want to do is now, I have achieved what I wanted. I wanted to become an army officer, and at the age of 20 years 6 months I was an officer, and I have served in all kind of terrains, insurgency, I have seen action, I have been in Kargil, I have seen life and death pretty close, and we have a large number of people who got injured in war and warlike situations. So one has seen life quite closely. Now the aim is that you must do what you like. You must give it back to society.
Yeah.
एक उर्दू में बड़ा अच्छा वर्ड कहा गया है, खिदमत खल्क. खल्क बोलते हैं the one who's who has created the society or the community. So khidmat means service. So now is the time to serve people. I keep writing. I also I am associated with a NGO where I go and teach underprivileged children when I'm not doing anything. And so now is the time to give it back to the society, because the society has given you so much and has given you this name and fame, and so this is the time that we must give whatever back, because they say when you have silver on your head, you have a lot of experience in your heart.
Yeah, so true.
Yeah.
So what is the success mantra you have for us?
Success mantra is, believe in yourself, and, the kind of pressures, the kind of difficult times which we are going through. I always tell that 2 hours you must devote out of 24 hours for yourself.
Wow.
One for the body.
Yeah.
Because they say, "Pehla sukh nirogi kaya." And we all know what is the value of good health. in this pandemic. कहते हैं ना, दूसरा सुख हो निरोग, दूसरा सुख हो घर में माया.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे
So
हैं.
the first gift by the God is good health. So devote 1 hour for your good health. I mean, you may be working out, you may be walking, you may be doing your household chores, whatever. और 1 घंटा देश के लिए. You must do something for nation building. When I say nation building, I don't expect you to pick up a rifle and go to the Chinese border or the Galwan Valley. No. But you can always, plant some trees. You can teach some underprivileged children. You can, you can follow the rules of the society. You can follow the traffic rules. You can help the senior citizens. You can help the Veer Naris, the soldiers who have sacrificed their life. You can, adopt some of the children and, help them, because they have sacrificed their life so that you can have a peaceful night.
So true.
Yeah.
Agree with you.
So these are some of the points which people, if they ponder over it, I am sure they will make a good citizen, and they will do a lot good to the society. क्योंकि जो youngsters है, जो नए तालिब इल्म हैं, वही मुस्तकबिल हैं भारत का, और वही फ्यूचर है.
ब्यूटीफुल सर. सर, आपकी भाषा से लगता है कि आप जरूर कुछ लिखते भी हैं. प्लीज कुछ सुनाइए. आई नो आपने इस बारे में मुझसे कुछ नहीं बोला, बट आई एम फीलिंग, मेरी दिल से आवाज आ रही है कि आप जरूर कुछ लिखते हैं. सो वी वुड लाइक टू लिसन.
देखिए, मैं लिखता भी हूँ, बिल्कुल आपने सही पहचाना. हालांकि हमारा कोई इंटरेक्शन इस विषय पे हुआ नहीं था. मुझे भी लिखने का बड़ा शौक है. तो मैं 2 चीजें बताता हूँ. देखिए, पेशेंस एक ऐसी चीज है that we must have patience. Somehow we are in a very, very fast life. We must slow it down. When I say slow it down, we should not become phlegmatic. We must slow down the pace. We must slow down the burnout.
Yeah.
And for that, we must have, there is a very good, couplet which I have written, कि वही शख्स मेरे लश्कर से बगावत कर गया, वही शख्स मेरे लश्कर से बगावत कर गया, जीत कर सल्तनत जिसके नाम करनी थी. So have patience. Things will. Today you may be a child. Tomorrow you are going to be a father. Tomorrow you are going to be a president of a company. Tomorrow you are going to be a general. Tomorrow you are going to be a chief secretary. Tomorrow you are going to be a chief minister. So wait for your time and turn. Things will fall on the slot.
I'm not emotional by your just word liner. आपकी एक पंक्ति ने जैसे अंदर से झिझोर दिया.
बिल्कुल.
I'll definitely keep another time and slot with you, and please keep it 1 hour. हम आपको नहीं छोड़ेंगे तब तक. Because क्योंकि ये भाषा की गहराइयों में से जो पंक्तियां बनाई जाती हैं, मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि वो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको प्रीचिंग हो रही है, बट वो एक्चुअली आपके दिल में, आपके जहन में उतर के साफ सफाई कर जाती है.
बिल्कुल.
तो जो आपने एक लाइन बोली, मुझे नहीं पता वो मुझे कहाँ सूट हुई, क्या समझ आया, बट मेरी आंखें भर आई. That means a lot. That means कहीं ना कहीं subconscious level तक गई है वो.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful, sir. I don't have words to praise you. Seriously, I don't have that.
And one more thing which I want to tell you is that we must keep achievable goals. We should not drive our children too hard.
So true.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'll give you an example of my own son. He got into a medical, he got a medical seat, government wala. He went and joined the college also. But after say about a month or so, he says, I'm not liking it. I don't want to do it. So it was very difficult, decision on our part. But since he had expressed his inability that he didn't want to do it, so he said, no, I want to pursue a normal graduation course from Delhi University. Right. That was another, jolt we got.
Yeah.
But he did very well. He topped Delhi University. He went on to London. He, graduated from King's College. He got a scholarship, and he's really doing very well. So we must have faith in our children. We should not impose our, will.
Exactly.
And the goal should be achievable. एक बड़ी खूबसूरत लाइन इस पे बोलता हूँ मैं आपको कि मिल बैठ गए जुगनू एक मजलिस में सारे, मिल बैठ गए जुगनू एक मजलिस में सारे और ऐलान किया कि सूरज को बदला जाए. So, so have achievable goals, small goals which you can achieve and move from one bound to another bound, as they say in the army. कि एक चीज को पकड़ के, you must always, they say that infantry moves with one foot on ground. Once you have secured one bound, then you should upstick and secure the another bound. So
So
that
true.
is, that is what I want to tell the young people. And today's youth, let me tell you, is more intelligent, is more resourceful. He's more resilient than what we were. So, I mean, he has all these qualities which we did not have. But he has to be focused and he has to be given a positive stroke so that he channelizes his energy to achieve his goals.
So true, sir. So true. With all this love, guidance, and wisdom coming like pearls from you. And I'm really feeling so obliged to get you here and be with you. Thank you so much for taking our invitation and blessing us with your wisdomful voice and wisdomful knowledge. It's always there, and I would request you, please come again whenever you have time. We would like to know more spiritual as well as poetic knowledge from you. वो
Yeah.
एक थोड़ा सा जहन में रह गया कि थोड़ा सा और समय हो तो हम कुछ और आपसे सुने. It is really touching. It is really
Yeah.
touching.
Yeah.
Sometimes we don't have words that how we can express, but when we write it, it comes in a different perspective. And
That's
the
true.
more we write, the more we connect with spirituality. That's what I can see in you.
Yeah.
You are a blend of everything. Normal life, strict, disciplined
Yeah.
life, and along with that, all that spirituality, wisdom, everything in one portrait. Everything is there in you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Amazing, sir. Amazing.
Thank you.
Anything that you would like to add on about it?
That's it. देखिए, हर आदमी के पास problems हैं, हर आदमी के पास challenges हैं. So we should not think we must remain connected with people. Stay connected with your family, stay connected with your friends.
So true.
हाँ, वो कहते हैं ना कि जिंदगी में दोस्त नहीं मिला करते, दोस्तों में जिंदगी मिला करती है. And you can, always be more expressive with them, so that you can live your life to the fullest, and make your parents proud, make yourself proud, and make your teachers proud, because these are the two people who will feel the happiest when you do well in life. And I think with this, because एक शायर ने कहा था कि जिंदगी में मैं परेशान तो बहुत रहा हूँ, जिंदगी में मैं परेशान तो बहुत रहा हूँ, पर खुशी इस बात की है कि अपने आसपास रहा हूँ.
Wow.
So so one should remain, अपने दायरे में रहें. जब आपको लगे कि बोझा ज्यादा हो गया है, तो आपने देखा होगा कई बार चिड़िया जब नहाती हैं, when their wings get wet, they just swivel their body and they throw the extra weight and they fly. So fly high. You should be intelligent, you should inspire people, you should mesmerize people, and you should leave a mark in the society that yes, whatever you have done in whatever field, you have done the best, you couldn't have done better.
Beautiful, sir. Such a vast wisdom you have, like an ocean. So जितना हम भरते जाएंगे पानी और निकालते जाएंगे. So thank you so much for joining us. And please stay connected, all of you. Such a wisdom Sir has given to us. It's all about that how we take it, how we get it, and how we make the life better.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. It was a great, time interacting with you, and you are doing a good job. I have seen your work also. I mean, you are doing a tremendous and a yeoman service for the society. And stay connected. It is always a pleasure to be interacting. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching it. Please like, share, and give it to all your children. And even if you feel that this inspiration from Brigadier Dr. Vinod Datta can inspire someone, please share this video and subscribe our channel, The Asneha Show. Thank you so much, Vinodji, for giving your wonderful time with us. And I know it's very precious for all of us.
No,
Thank
very
you.
much.
We are very grateful to you.
Thank you.